Hi friends, this is the another color system and the decoration piece for the Dart Kids game, and you can see it here that this is a very normal, like the purple and black and yellowish color thing. So this is a simple like a fabric based dart game and the velcro, so that the kids will not hurt with the pointed things. It's fun for kids, and you can see that it comes with two balls and two darts. The fabric itself, if you see it here, is a soft fabric, but it can have a velcro sticky effect, and the numbering is on it. So once you put it on it, you can see what numbers you are getting. Now in the back you can see the fabric is with a hook, that the stitching is good, and then it can come up easily, lightweight. So can we put, these are the balls that comes with it, so two balls, and you can see the velcro on it, the velcro bands, and you can just throw, and these are the darts. So with the darts you can see that there is a front, like on the velcro on the front, and once you throw it on this fabric, it will just stick on it. So see, like the ball and the fabric, it just stick on it. So it's a little fun for the kids, and no harmful and nothing, so it's pretty good. And you can see also comes with these three balls, extra balls. You can have it as a different pack, and these three balls and one extra